My little heat gun. I'm just heating up the metal like on the outskirts since my fender's all beat up. I have really big tires that I need to change out anyways. So all I'm doing is just heating up this little outer lip. I don't have a fender roller. Luckily I already have this fender off, so all I do is just heat it up with my little hammer, just yeet that, and it folds perfectly like over, so it's nothing too hard. Chose the wrong day to do it. It's super hot and my dog's chilling, so we'll keep at it. Alright guys, so before I start sanding the fenders, I wanted to show you guys what I'm going to use. To start off with, I'm going to be wet sanding since the color is already black. I'm going to start off with the 400 grit. Nothing too crazy, just go to quick wipe down. I'm not expecting perfection. After that, I'm going to hit it with the cool 500 a few times. Just algo light, nothing too crazy. Once I'm done, I'm gonna for sure hit it with the Krylon. This is my preferred spray paint. Sounds kind of rice, kind of tacky, kind of cheesy, but you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. Sometimes, like, it's a crap car, I'm not expecting quality paint job out of it. Like, it's whatever, you know, it's gonna get the job done. It's obviously gloss, but to kick it off, make sure it looks nice. I got 2K clear. If you know, you know. No, it's just really good clear. It's gonna make it look good, really, really good, really shiny. We'll see how it turns out, you know. It's gonna be wet sand, paint, clear. See how it goes.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
They're not fully dry, but they're good. How about this one inside? That's hella good. They've only been drying for a few minutes. just finished putting the paint on the fenders. They actually came out super good. I'm super hyped with how they actually turned out. It's dope, man. For a little rattle can job, couldn't be happier, man. So I'll show you guys quick little pictures right now, a little clip of how they turned out. Sorry, I'm all sweaty. I'm all crusty. I was out there painting and everything. So yeah, so see, they actually came out pretty decent. There's still a little crash right there. No matter, I ain't tripping about it. Overall, the paint came out pretty good though. The little rattle can job. I think cars paint's bugged, so I'm not tripping on it. Look at this one. Pretty good, you know. I'd say this is a solid thumbs up job. Wasn't too bad. Little things I can fix here and there, but couldn't be happier. I'm pretty hyped with how it came out.